Hi, my name is Rich Perry. I'm one of the team members here at STV Machinery. I'd like to introduce to you the new Yizumi A6-EU series. This machine builds on and evolves from the A5 series, which became one of the best sellers in both the UK and Ireland. It will be immediately familiar to those with Yizumis already, with no retraining required. This machine comes with improved energy efficiency with integrated monitoring analysis and electric screw drive as standard. It also has a high specification bimetallic plasticizing unit with also intelligent clamp and injection features to further improve energy efficiency. Also, it has improved footprint but maintains class-leading tie bar spacing across the range as well. So let's take a closer look. So one of the features people tend to see straight away on the new machine is the enlarged Kiba control unit. It has a really high resolution screen and it's now also touchscreen. Very quick, very snappy, really easy to use. It will be very familiar to those already with the Kiba control system. And we also have the soft keys down the bottom so you can use either way when you interface with it. At the bottom we have an Ethernet connection which we use for Industry 4.0 or for remote diagnosis, as well as a USB point which can be used for saving mold data and transferring them from one machine to the next. One of the brand new features for the A6 series is a KERS type energy recovery system. So what it does, it takes energy recovery from the clamp unit, from the inertia, and feeds it back into the heater bands. This helps to increase the energy efficiency. Okay, so delving into some more technical information now with the specifics. We've still got market-leading tie bar spacing for the clamp of the machine. It's obviously great for accommodating much larger molds, but also easy access for mold changing. On this side of the machine we've got a maintenance hatch for access, so we don't have to remove all of the guards just to get to simple maintenance items for the toggle system. We've also got double core puller standard, which again is mounted on the non-operator side, and we can change that between fixed or moving depending upon the specification that's required. We have Caterpillar tracks that are on this side of the machine, which brings all of the water elements, which are 10mm easy fittings that go onto here, so it brings it up to both the moving half and the fixed half, which again accommodates really easy tool changing, makes life a little bit easier. We've also got pre-punched holes down on this side which allow for all of the water pipes to come through and get to the mould area if needed. Along with that we've got Euromap 67 robot interface, which is standard across the range, but it also is mounted in a sensible position along with the main power, which is at the top of the fixed platen, so you can accommodate Yizumi robots or any others that use that interface, which most do, so that's very easy to mount. We've also got an easy access oil filter on this side, so again no removing of panels, and the toggle drain system, which you can probably see in the video there, is very robust, easy to get to and easy to maintain. So moving on to the injection unit now. It's a modular design, which means that each machine size has at least 3 injection units with 3 plasticizing unit choices to choose from within those injection units, which means it's a very versatile machine. So if we need to get a specific injection pressure or get to a particular shot weight, we've got much more choice to be able to do that now. Thankfully, the robust nozzle guard has also fitted onto this series of machine. So that's proven to be really quite durable over the years for the machines we've already got out in the marketplace. We also have a start-stop button on an auto fly lead, which is really handy for people that are doing semi-autonomous operations. They can just take that away, put it wherever they want, it's magnetic, and just let the operator start and stop the machine after each cycle without having to get up. We've also got stainless steel machine covers, which are underneath the purge plate here and at the front above the control cabinet there, with the Y Yizumi designation on it, which I think is actually really quite smart. The injection unit now sits on linear bearings, which is really durable, nice and accurate and easy to maintain. We also have maintained our feature of the A5-EU, which we introduced, which is the drain lines that are underneath all of the main injection cylinders. That just enables us to see if there's a leak starting to occur so we can get to it before it's actually a failure. The cabinet is actually completely fan-free. The fans that are in there to cool it actually draw this way to the non-operator side, which means it's a really clean look on the front, but also very quiet in operation. Overall, I think they've done a really good job with tidying up the injection unit and just making it look a lot more modern, but also allowing it to have easy access for maintenance and for service. There's a few nanometers that are knocking around now as well, so we can see what's going on very quickly when we go to see a machine. On that side, we've also got the injection unit screw stroke pointer and the scale, which is familiar to most, but not on every machine. But again, it's a very easy way to see what's going on the machine from a distance. But the biggest upgrade with the injection unit, as we briefly mentioned, is with the electric screw drive, which is now standard across the range. This reduces energy consumption, it allows for parallel movements, it improves accuracy, and it also improves the screw speed across the entire range. So that's a really good additional upgrade, which hasn't added to the cost at all, but is a very nice feature to have. Along with that, we do also have improved injection speed and injection pressure across the range. So that just, again, increases the versatility of the machine and really helpful for the average trade moulder. The injection unit still has a central greasing point, which is very easy to get to. And it's also got an 8-way water manifold, which is on this side. You'll see in the pictures. You'll notice that there's a dose signal on this side, and we've also got a good number of auxiliary sockets to allow for temperature controllers, dryers, loaders, whatever it might be that you need to hook up to the machine as well. So it's a very, very good specification out of the box, and really good for most people and for most trade moulders. We do have plenty of machines available here in Wellingborough, Northants for demonstration, so please do give us a call if you'd like to see one a little bit closer. But these machines are already rolling out into the UK and Irish markets, so we've got some that are out there, and a lot of our customers thankfully are quite happy to show them off, so you could go and see some in production as well to get a really good look and get their honest feedback as what it might be, so keep that in mind. But please do speak to any of our sales team here for further information, or to book a visit to come and have a look at one of the machines, and we can give you all of the technical data with all of the ins and outs that we probably couldn't go into on this video. Thanks very much.